seen your videos lately. Yeah, been sharing them too. Cool, cool. See you catch a lot of accident scenes lately.
Yeah. Usually when I cover.
Oh, okay.
This is just for fun.
Well, I'm glad you came out here tonight. I was thinking about you. I'm like, where you at? I'm like, you said, oh, Dale told me, oh, you don't like it out here too much, huh?
Yeah. I mean, I used to be a bouncer for years, so it's the same shit, you know?
Oh, okay. Like what, over 20 years?
No, 5 years.
I know, things change, don't they?
They do.